Great first stop here. Not even on the tour, but we made it an experience. Temple takes on here, and I'm here with
Erica.
All right, and today we're going to be taking on Open Doors Toronto 2023. We're here at the Artscape Witchwood Barns. It's a century-old streetcar facility converted into this amazing community cultural hub where there's a mixture of art, environmentalists, artists, and different community spaces for this amazing neighborhood here. And they also have a playground, they have a park, they have water features for children. It's really a great community culture hub. We're also going to be meeting people who work in art, culture, environmentalism, food security, theater, urban agriculture, and more. So that's a lot. So let's go check it out. Awesome, look at that little strawberry sticker. Awesome, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Sweet. Just got to the Spadina Museum here. Is built in 1866. It's a Victorian design home, and it's actually a National Historic Site. It's located on 6 acres of grounds and includes a kitchen garden, an orchard, and a newly created indigenous kitchen garden as well. So let's go check it out. All right, Temple takes on. We just checked out our second location here for Doors Open Toronto. We just checked out the Spadina Museum by Casa Loma neighborhood. And yeah, it was a great experience. We checked out all 3 floors and even the basements. And yeah, what are your thoughts, babe? It was amazing, right?
It was pretty cool. Yeah, it was pretty neat.
Yeah, amazing details. So, you know, I think it's a National Historic Site as well. Very rich architectural details. And yeah, it's a great entrance here to Spadina Museum, so definitely come and check it out if you haven't done so. And they have a lot of great history and you know, great things to learn about this site. All right, we're at Gal Hastings Architects now.
Like some of the projects they've done.
Okay.
I have like around 1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's coming up. Okay, I'll just go introduce myself inside.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Hi there. Awesome.
Feel free to grab some brochures.
Okay.
We have a presentation on right now. You can check it out. If you have any questions, approach them with the name tag. They work at this firm.
Okay.
And their project.
Oh, even the dog?
Okay with
Yeah, of course, yeah.
their studio.
Okay, so 3D printing and studio upstairs.
and installation right here, just by the stairs.
Okay, awesome. You don't mind if I vlog, right?
No, don't.
Okay, cool.
Go ahead.
Awesome. Really looking forward to it. Go check it out. Nice.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay, cool. So you just move it and it creates a sound of all the way up. Yeah. Cool. All right, you want to say like a quick spiel about it? So we got Noah here from the architectural firm.
These things.
Yeah, and
We just wanted to create something that was very interactive, showcasing these very simple, minimal pieces, and then creating this kind of ongoing sound.
right into this like stairwell that would just be void space and
Yeah.
nothing interactive about it. Awesome, and it's called metallic resonance, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Wow. We just checked out Gala Hastings Architects, really cool office, and now we're gonna go listen to some cool jazz performance.
All out my head. I've been rocking on my feet and talking all out my head. When I get through talking, don't remember everything I said. See, I used to be a sharpie, dressed in the latest style. Now walk down Broadway wearing nothing.
Hi there. It's good, thanks. What is there to do in here?
Here, so you already have a
Yeah, I have that.
what's
Yeah.
going on. So in this space, around the walls, two exhibits. One's Black Women in Leadership.
Okay, on this side.
Everything's self-guided. Abba Bayevsky is artist in Kensington Market.
Okay.
Inside the room, you get to see stuff on conservation, see stuff on our collection, touch, see, and see it.
Okay.
Best part is the tour of the warehouse. Loop around to the side, grab a ticket. I think
Yeah.
the next one's at 1:30.
Oh,
You
okay.
get to see where 130,000 boxes are stored in a temperature-controlled environment.
Wow. And then how long does that tour take?
Whatever you want.
Oh, I see.
It's 15-20 minutes, but if you want to leave early, you can duck out.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay,
Take
awesome.
whatever pictures you want.
Okay, and vlog as well.
Sure.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Good one.
'88 map of Toronto Harbor.
I think it's 88.
Wow. Yeah, that's right. 1888. Amazing.
Wow.
All right, Tumble Takes On here. We just finished our last location, doors open, Toronto 2023. We just checked out Toronto Archives. It was actually, really good experience to just kind of see old maps and, historical records. We didn't have time to actually go through to the tour, but yeah, I think it's really a good opportunity for, Torontonians to come and see and learn about, the historical, facts and, milestones that the city went through. So yeah, let's go walk back to the Casa Loma neighborhood and keep on exploring and taking on today's adventure. Check out Casa Loma Castle. Wow. Yeah.